Let's make another bicycle shit show. A short one. So this here is my 3-speed Altra bicycle, and I've been using it a lot lately because it's the muddy season and I don't want to use a derailleur bicycle. Another reason for using this bicycle is because my uncle's old Gazelle 3-speed bicycle is having some problems, especially in first gear. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's also a problem. At some point I will have to fix these challenges. But for now I need to fix this bicycle. So the other day I was cycling to the local hospital for a little checkup. I had this brake malfunction. For some reason the cable just pulled out of the brake lever. Nothing serious happened, but it gave me a bit of a scare. Anyway, I don't think this cable end, this pear-shaped cable end, is any good anymore. And I should have a spare one laying around. So let's replace this inner cable. To my surprise, there's also a pear-shaped cable end on this side of the cable. I wasn't expecting that. I guess I will have to cut off the other end. Not sure how to deal with this. I might have to visit the local bike guy. It's probably a good idea to wind this adjustment back so I can retension the cable later on, because there's no adjustment at the lever side. Let's hook up the new cable. I think that's it. Well, let's get this finished. First I got this barrel piece that sits against this lever here. And I've seen these with screws, so you can also use it to fix the cable. But this one doesn't have any screw. So I have this little, I don't know what it is. It's from a piece of electrical equipment. We call them kroonsteentjes, and my brother hates them. Hopefully it's strong enough to keep the to keep things together. Okay, I better use both screws, and later on I'll need to tighten up this piece here. Let's snap off the excess cable. And now I have this end piece to tidy everything up. Off camera I did a little testing, but this isn't strong enough. So I think I will try and solder this together. Might be a bad idea. But then again, bad ideas. That's me. A little bit of flux. Probably very toxic. So the good stuff. Let's try and screw this up. No, I don't want to remove any sink from the spokes. Huh. It's not really pretty, but maybe it's working. Let's test it out. I have adjusted the cable. Let's try this out. It seems to be holding maybe a little bit tighter. I'm not sure how safe this is, but I'm willing to try it out tomorrow when I actually have to go back to the hospital because they want to check my blood again. Vampires. So it looks like I'm going to be rolling again and breaking. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and to be continued at some point. So in my previous video I announced that I was going to upload all of my bicycle videos to a separate channel, and I kinda asked for a good name. Well, I've decided to call it the Bicycle Shit Show, the BSS, trying to keep it short. So that is what I'm going to do. Well, I haven't uploaded any videos just yet because currently we're having a bit of an internet problem, but I'm hoping it will get better than before at some point. Anyway, I'll keep you posted when the new channel is live.